Hi! Welcome to BLA's production!
This is a place to be when you want authentic, fun stuff to watch from Jamaica. BLA Productions.
It is the channel and I am on it. Why not?
Yeah!
Of course. It's lots.
How money we have? We not go. Huh? Don't move, youth. Don't look for me neither. Oi, you think I joke this? Yo.
How old is? You know him?
Alright, a serious thing now. Yo. You got your money? Don't move. Look at the do. Oi, look at some.
I not my money.
Don't move.
Oh, Father God, I want this to come back up in the Lord Jesus.
Wait, we can do this one more time.
Yes, do you know that?
Ready, grandma. Grandma.
You need to project. Talk normal, stop whisper. Uno go so.
Alright.
Yeah.
Guy, what is your grandma? You know more ask her.
What is it, Valerie? Did it start? She just threw a lizard on me like it was so.
Lizard at
Nobody see that. You can't run, you can run now. Get on the floor. Bye bye. A dead body is in the car. A corpse. Valerie, don't touch with your hand, Valerie. Hey!
And I'm telling you.
Okay, so this guys is a lizard, okay?
Lizard.
Yeah.
Lizard.
Yeah,
Well,
lizard.
That's something now, make it continue.
It tastes crunchy.
Can't give her two one time.
Exactly.
Huh? You tell her she have sugar, you tell her no she's diabetic. Doctor, make up your mind.
It's one thing. Sugar better.
Come, you can't cut it out. You can't cut.
You're going to lose her very soon and later because the whatever sickness is going to detox her. But sorry, we have to own detox. You can't tell about that.
Here we go. What are you cooking today, James?
I am cooking all in one. So chicken, stewed chicken mixed with rice. So it's like fried rice now. Missing the seasoning, but you know, it's all good.
Okay.
And we have gravy here to spread over it when we're done.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Interesting.
And it's
Nanika? Okay, hi. Hi, pretty girl. Say hi. 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 And we're here and we have the chef here.
So when you're dishing this out, you gotta take
So
your
the plate them
time.
up there, sister.
I'm sorry.
So we're following him.
And so you gotta open gently. And you look for the size to match the amount of food that you have, alright? Alright, so standard size. Yes. So
Yes,
you close until
twice.
you're closed, ensure that no flies are entering, and then you move back to your cooking station.
Okay,
Alright?
got it.
So we're actually sharing for two persons. One
You-
eats a
you're
lot.
pregnant?
Pardon?
You're pregnant?
Who?
Okay, you said they're sharing for two.
You're funny.
Who
Alright.
you call funny? Don't call me funny. Don't call me funny. Me not funny. Me not them weird. Don't do it again.
Alright, so I'm sharing for the camera person who's acting very angry right now. So this is for her.
Okay. This one is eat. Excuse me?
You eat more than this?
Of course.
Okay, you eat a lot.
Of course. This one is eating bulai.
Bola.
Yes.
Bola. We're using bola on the base. Bola.
Yeah, yo. And then
Man.
around the back you have Sanjay and Amanda.
I love Amanda. Hey, fam.
And Amanda is blushing right now.
Just shout out to Chef Boyardeen.
Shiplip is eating bola. Shiplip is eating bola.
Shiplip. Okay, shiplip. What? What did you say?
Yeah, so in our building, take a break and now we have feed everybody.
My back sound like it wanna the bullet sound like it they wear on their stuff.
So, we're drinking alcohol.
Yeah, advertise for alcohol.
Bulla.
Yeah, you.
Alcohol.
Yes, chef.
He's in competition with mackerel and bully beef.
Okay,
and
I
candy.
understand what is going on here. Sorry. Alright. Which one of the plate is for Valerie and which one is for James?
This one.
James?
Valerie not supposed to eat a lot.
Come, give me food.
Doctor diagnosed her with.
This is your food, this
Yes,
is true?
yes.
Yeah, doctor diagnosed her with something she not to eat too much.
Oh, the diabetic? She diabetic?
No, she's sugar betic.
Me what?
Sugar betic.
Thank you.
You need to
This is
put
nice.
salt in your diet.
Then
Valerie, then move now Valerie make her put in this song.
Bullock nice. Bullock from Malcolm.
Valerie, you're wetting me up, Valerie.
Hey,
You're wetting me up, Valerie.
hey.
Valerie, take it.
Hey.
Valerie. Valerie. Valerie, this is how you're leaving in the menopause.
What?
I'm gonna put it over. Which one did you set up again?
Anyway, as long as you say it. This is the part of the way advertise when we see $300 in the day and $500 after one. Come again, James. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? This is your boy I'm Dwight Gale on Instagram and we're here with the team BLA Productions. You know, it's all about fun, laughter, drama, any type of segment. You request it, you get it, anything you want. You know, Valerie, that's Valerie over there, and we have a lot of tons of people here. You know, that's the baby. Yeah, that's the baby. That's Valerie, baby. Valerie and James got a kid together the other day. Old people still have picnic. We never know, so when you're 60, you still can't breathe. I think you reach menopause. So we are here, guys, and we just want to tell you thank you so much for always being here with us. Thank you so much. I'm new to the team, so pardon me.
Serious.
So yeah, we thank everybody who is supporting Blooper Production.
Grand boy, what are you doing?
We make a video, Grandpa. We really appreciate your support, and to all our subscribers, we just want to say thank you so much, and you know, continue to share the videos, continue to repost them, continue to make your comments, and you know, you guys can tell us what you want, anything you want. It's like, you know, make it a down to order deal. So if you want something this week, you put in your order and you get it next week.
Amazon delivery.
Yes, so we have a variety of lots of stuff. We're going to be so creative, and there's going to be so much more for you guys to expect, to get, and to have to watch. So thank you, stay tuned, because we have a ton of the thing. This is not the time. I'm telling you, I am not going through this anymore. I'm over it. What do you expect me to do now? As I'm very... Listen, I don't want to hear anything more. You know why I don't want to hear anything more? Because I gave you more than time to get me my money. Well, you need to get me my money. We are in problem. And when I said problem, we are in serious problem. I gave you until 1 year and you can't pay me back what you owe me? You must be crazy. You must be kidding. Don't you ever try to... Stop right there. Just stop right there for me.
There you go.
welcome to BLA's Productions. BLA Productions. You should ensure you watch.
What the hell? I can't. No.